Now again to the mustard crop. Mustard, mustard, everywhere mustard. Total yellow, 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 yellow mustard cropping is done. Mustard and wheat season is there. You can see here, wheat, there mustard again. Near the hut you can see. Here mustard. Everywhere mustard. Small pathway for only walking, and cycle can only pass through because no vehicles are allowed near the field, so the crops will be healthy. Now time to show you the bamboo, Indian bamboo. Give me the way. You can see the bamboo, everywhere bamboo. Inside bamboo, bunches of bamboo, more than 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 bamboo. Totally natural stuff. Totally natural stuff. Even the women are there. Cutting, roping, sewing, all the things are being done.